and it's very cheap. For that price, it's very cheap and it works very nice. Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today we'll be unboxing this AVtoHDMI converter. This is if you have those DVD player and you want to check your movies, or you want to check your DVD on a bigger screen, maybe is a monitor or maybe TV. This one is good for you guys. So guys, let us unbox and see how we can use it, or what is inside. So unboxing is just unbox like this one. Then we have the converters. Then first we have this cable. I don't know which version is this. Is it USB type A? I'm not sure. This one we have so this is the charging cable or connector. I don't think this is not, you cannot charge. So this is, let's say, power cable. So this is, you cannot charge, so you connect direct, so we can say it's power cable. Then we have the converter itself. So this is a converter, so you convert from AV to HDMI. So as you can see, this is the AV. So you connect from this one. This is the input, and then you output on HDMI, as you can see. So we have HDMI output here, and then we have AV input here. So this is where you plug your cable from your DVD player or whatever you want to convert. Then we have a port here for power, and then we have if you want to select from 720, sorry, I don't know if it is focusing. Yes, from 720 to 1080. Maybe these are, if you have a maybe monitor which does not support 1080 or maybe TV, so you switch this. You can see this button, you can switch it like this or this one. So you can switch it if your monitor supports either. If it doesn't support 1080, you just switch it to 720. So guys, let me connect my gamepad. I have my gamepad which you can connect and see how it works. So let us set this one aside. So because this is a power cable, it's not a charging cable because it doesn't have internal battery. So let us connect it. So just connect this. It's just plug and play. So guys, this is the monitor I will be using. It has HDMI. So let me connect and see how. Let us connect. So the monitor is output, so I'll connect like this. Then after that, because this one also supports 720, so that is what I will connect, 720, as you can see. Let me connect my gamepad so that we can see how it works. Now I'll use my previous gamepad I unboxed earlier on my previous video. So I just connect this one like that. Then these two, you just they are color coded, so you just plug it like this. It just symbol like it, just plug and play. Then I switch it on like that. So let's see if it will. Let's see if it will respond here. Yes guys, as you can see, now we have our gamepad has been connected, so you can play. As you can see, now you can play our maybe if I was connected to DVD, I can play my video or my movies, but this is a gamepad. So let's see if we can play a game. So let us try this one. As you can see, this guys, this is just plug and play, so it works very nice. And I will recommend, guys, if you want to find a good converter, find the one which has power. So there are many out there which you can find them and they don't have power, so I cannot recommend you using those without power. So what I can recommend is find the one which uses power, guys. because I think that will do you better. The one which doesn't use power, I don't trust them so much, so find the one which have power. So guys, as you can see, it works, and it works very perfectly. So I can encourage people, if you want to experience this, you can go ahead and buy this. You can go ahead and buy this converter. So this one I bought for around $6, I think, was $6, and it's very cheap. For that price, it's very cheap, and it works very nice. So guys, you can go ahead and buy and experience what I am experiencing. Even here, you can even try with your TV with like this retro gamepad. You can go ahead and try it, and it works very nice, and you can enjoy your games on a larger screen. So guys, this is the end of my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to see more of this tech gadget on action, and I will see you on my next one.